Pulsetto programs for specific conditions. Pulsetto, as a non-invasive vagus nerve stimulator, can help you with the list of issues, starting with handling the stress and finishing with improving your HRV. However, when dealing with a specific issue, we might want to have a more specific guidelines. If you suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, sleep disorders, COVID recovery, we recommend starting with stress/anxiety or burnout program in the morning to get your day going and finish with the sleep program before going to sleep. If you suffer from migraines, headaches, or chronic pain of any kind, we recommend running 2 sessions a day. They can be anxiety/burnout and sleep. However, whenever you feel the pain coming, run a head pain session on a premium version or pain program on basic. It should prevent or decrease your incoming pain, allowing you to replace the painkillers. If you're looking for some help with OCD, ADHD, PTSD, or RLS, consistency here is the key. You need to use the device 2 times per day and whenever you feel like you need help during the day. We would recommend you run any program from stress, anxiety, or burnout. You can run all of them one after another, or you can stick to one and repeat it twice daily. For gut issues, diabetes, obesity, IBD, and impulsive eating, we would of course recommend our gut program on a daily basis. You can run it twice per day, morning and evening, or you can combine it with any other program we offer, e.g. stress or sleep. Heart condition, POTS, blood pressure. Here, the key is to improve your HRV, and here it's important to note that any program should have a positive influence on your HRV. However, we recommend running the burnout and sleep programs every day. When working on improving your heart condition, consistency is the key. So most important is to have sessions daily and never to miss one. Autism and cognitive disorders. We know how hard it is to have your significant other suffer from a cognitive disorder. And even though Pulsetto will not be able to cure it, it can be a great addition to your daily routine, which would calm the nerves, give more confidence, and enhance cognitive abilities.